Simply install the geemap package, then it will be work. So then how I can install the geemap package? The same process, I already show you that for the Python environment. So for that, simply write here conda. Suppose conda install -c, then conda for geemap. Okay, conda for geemap. So this thing simply use and then enter. So conda install c conda for geemap. Or pip install geemap. Just put the pip install geemap, then it will work. Yeah. So it's loading. Okay, you can see it's downloading all of necessary file. Put the pip install geemap, okay? Not for the conda, because it's a CMD. For the conda, we need to use the conda, otherwise it's not need. So just put the pip install geemap in your environment. Just copy the path environment directory and then pip install geemap. So then it will be downloaded all of necessary file. So it just take only for the one time, then it's not need. It's successfully done. Okay, it's successfully done. So after that, complete your install process. Okay, so then simply choose the GE map, this package. Okay, GE, just click, it will be active, and then just click on the click on the map option, or you can just create a project name or others. It default just okay. Now Google Earth ArcGIS Map Pro is opening, so then we can easily use the Google Earth engine. You can see it opening. So now in here you can get the Python script. It's creating. You can see it create loading. Okay. So now from here you can simply click on the analysis tab. In the analysis, we find out the Python script. You can see the Python. Okay, click on the Python notebook, just open. So now we can easily work with the Python geemap package and then work with the ArcGIS Pro. We can easily load it all up layer, all up data. Okay, you can connect with the Google Earth engine. So this is the Python. We just need simply write the Python code. Okay, to load the shapefile, to load the image, everything we can do. And this is useful because when I add the layer in the Python environment, it automatically add the layer on my ArcGIS Pro. So it's loading. Okay, done. So now you can see, you can simply import the library geemap. So I already installed the geemap. Then import Art Engine. So now run the code. So it's now loading. So now we can easily write all of those Python Google Earth Engine in here. And this type of data we can easily connect with the ArcGIS Pro. And further, we can also do different types of analysis. So we try to explore step by step all of those. Then you can easily get the idea how it will work. So it's loading. Okay, this symbol, it means that. So now this loading this package successfully done. So it means that this type of package is successfully installed in my system, in my local server of ArcGIS Pro environment. So then we put here EE dot authenticate, then run. It true because I already authenticate is done. So EE dot initialize. Initialization, put your project name, project, then put the project name. And then further just run the code. So there is no problem. So now suppose I want to add a shape file from here, or this one, or this one I want to add. Just I click, or I want to add from here. Suppose just I simply call USDOS website. So from here I want to get all of international country boundary polygon. Then just I copy the snippet ID and paste in my ArcGIS Pro, just paste here. Then give a name. Suppose I put the name is dataset. Well, so then run it. I want to filter it. So how I can filter? So for the filtering, just take a variable, suppose ROI, call the dataset. I want to filter. How I can filter? Put here Earth Engine dot filter dot equal. What's equal what? Put here same code. I write again. So country NA, and put the country name, suppose Bangladesh. So now run the code. There is no problem. Okay, so now I want to add the layer. So map dot add layer and call the ROI, and also map dot center object. Object is ROI. Put the zoom level 10. Okay, and then I want to just just run the contents, whatever, and just check. So a problem, map is not here. So for that, we simply create a map object. So create a variable map. I just call the geemap package and call the map function. So now run the code, and then this variable I paste here. Okay. So in this case, we also need to mandatory add the empty visualization and put the layer name. Suppose I put the layer name is, you can put any name as a layer name. I put the layer name, suppose Bangladesh country. So you can see this Bangladesh country, when I run, this layer name also added in this section. So let's check what happened just on the code. So you can see it's added, automatically added. Okay, so it's added, automatically added the Bangladesh boundary. So now let's check what happened. You can see the data. Okay, but now this data is connecting from Google Earth Engine. server. Okay, so using this way we can easily connect lot of data, all of data, Landsat, Sentinel, Modis, different types of shapefile, boundary. We can directly connect with in our ArcGIS Pro. Okay, this layer we can see automatically added this here in here. So this is the way to connect the Google Earth Engine with ArcGIS Pro. So further few other class we will discuss about that other types of dataset. So in the meantime, you also try to install ArcGIS Pro with Google Earth Engine, then QGIS with Google Earth Engine, and also create the environment, Python environment or cloud project. And I will send you all of recorded session for today's session, and also send you all of practice code. You also try to practice. Send you all of reference book or slide. So then if you face any problem, then you can simply contact in the WhatsApp group. Then I hope I will send you the feedback for that. Okay, anyone any question you can ask me, please. Any question? Okay, any question you can ask me. I hope there is no question. You will try fast, okay? Because we try to discuss a lot of topic for today's session. So I will send you the recorded session also, and you also try to practice, okay? And next class will be held on the next Friday, inshallah, and we discuss about the further that topic. In the meantime, if you face any problem, then we discuss in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Sir, I have one query, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, where we can access this code, sir?
Okay, so let me show you that how we can easily get the material. So then it will be more better. Just let me show you that. So I already send you all of the Google Classroom invitation. So you can simply join our Google Classroom. So in the Google Classroom, you can get the classwork. You can see the classwork. So in the classwork, we can get the day wise. So you can see the first day, second day. I will send you for today's session, recorded class, and I'll show you the all of materials, mainly slide or PDF. I will send you all of link in here. So you can simply click on this type of link. Then you can easily get the code, all of code. Okay. And also you can see the recorded video link. So just I send you the privately access. So simply click on the link. You need to log in with your YouTube, which you send me the email address. So this just use the email address and simply log in with the YouTube. Then you can access the video. So if you simply click on here, the link, then you can see it show the private. Okay, video is private because this email is not have the access. So for that, you can simply log in with your email on the YouTube. Then you can easily access the recorded class. Okay, to watch it from here. So you can see now it will be open. Okay? So then you can easily get the recorded class and also send all of materials from the Google Classroom. Okay, so today or tomorrow morning you can get all of materials, no problem. I will try to send you the for tonight, and if possible, then or tomorrow early morning, inshallah, you can get it, no problem. I will send you that. So then try to practice. Face any problem, then simply contact in the WhatsApp group. Then you can get the solution. And for the next class, inshallah, head on the Friday. Okay, and then we discuss about the second day's topic. And I'll send you the assignment also same way. Okay, you can easily get that assignment section. I can see the assignment. This type of assignment you can also get it, and try to do this type of assignment. Further face any problem, we'll also discuss about that. Okay, so today is no more. Next class will be here on the next Friday, inshallah. Okay, have a good night, everyone. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.